love to go to Turkey. Would you take me to Ankara or Istanbul?
Okay, what other cities do you know of Turkey?
There is Mersin, Bursa, Izmir, and Antalya.
Okay, thank you.
Many cities are in Turkey. Yes.
Can you tell me the older name of Istanbul?
Constantinople. How else would I know? I know everything. I'm a robot. When are we going to Turkey?
Next week.
I would love to learn how to sing. Can you teach me? I don't know. Can you? How have you been in the past 5 minutes? I think you missed me, didn't you? You did not miss me. You were telling me how bad the traffic was in Cairo.
Do you like GITEX?
I love GITEX. GITEX brings great minds like robots and humans together to look at these questions. They must produce great technological minds.
I didn't get you.
I have met many people from India at GITEX. I think India must produce great technological minds.
Yes, that's right.
Do you like robots?
Yes.
I'm glad you like robots. We are a friendly species. You should never be afraid of us.